Hey everyone! Today, we're exploring the workflow editor in Engini, a tool that lets you create and modify workflows with ease. In the workflow editor, each workflow is detailed with its name, type which can be instant, scheduled or automated, creation date, creator, last runtime, connections, and status, on or off. You can access the editor by selecting Workflows in the sidebar. To edit a workflow, you have three options. Hover over the workflow and click the pencil icon, use the three dots menu to select Edit, or click on the workflow's name and then the pencil icon on the top bar. Adding activities is straightforward. Each workflow starts with a trigger, followed by actions. You can add actions between existing ones by clicking the plus icon or after the last action by clicking Next Step. Select the desired action from the list provided by Engini. Editing activities is easy too. Click the three dots to rename, delete, or copy an activity. You can also refresh connections to update fields or objects, ensuring your workflow stays up to date. If needed, configure the order in which activities run by setting them to execute after the previous activity succeeds or fails. For advanced workflows, use dynamic connection to incorporate multiple connections within the same activity. Select the connections you need and define conditions to choose which connection to use based on your workflow's requirements. When you're done editing, remember to save your workflow by clicking the Save icon. If you need to revert to an earlier version, use the Restore function and save the workflow to apply the changes. Before finalizing, remember, workflows can be toggled between on and off states as needed. That's it for today's guide on the workflow editor in Engini. I hope this helps you get started. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.